Baking soda, a household item or a medical marvel? People have debated this for years. The humble sodium bicarbonate, found in almost every pantry, has been the subject of much controversy. Its uses and benefits are as diverse as they are numerous, sparking endless debates. From health advantages like aiding in digestive issues, acting as an antifungal agent, promoting kidney health, to household applications such as cleaning and deodorizing, baking soda's potential seems boundless. In today's video, we'll unravel the uses and benefit secrets of baking soda that you probably didn't know about. Think baking soda is just for baking? Think again. Welcome to the magical world of baking soda, where this humble kitchen staple morphs into a multifunctional wizard performing feats that extend far beyond its traditional role in the culinary realm. From acting as a leavening agent in your favorite baked goods to deodorizing refrigerators to unclogging sinks, baking soda's versatility is nothing short of impressive. Imagine this. You're whipping up a batch of cookies or a fluffy cake. Baking soda steps in as the unsung hero, a leavening agent that creates those irresistible air pockets, making your baked goods rise and giving them that perfect light texture we all crave. And it doesn't stop at baking. It's a key player in the production of fizzy drinks and candies too. Intriguing, isn't it? But the magic doesn't stop there. Picture your refrigerator. Over time, it can start to harbor some less than pleasant odors. Enter baking soda, the ultimate deodorizer. It works like a charm to absorb those stubborn smells, keeping your fridge fresh and your food tasting as it should. And when it comes to household chores, baking soda continues to shine. Have a pesky clogged sink? No need to call the plumber or resort to harsh chemicals. A little baking soda and vinegar can work wonders, fizzing away the blockage and leaving your pipes clear and free-flowing. Baking soda, it seems, is the jack-of-all-trades in our kitchens. It's not just an ingredient, it's a helper, a cleaner, a problem solver. It's that friendly neighbor who's always there when you need a hand, ready to jump in and save the day. This unassuming white powder, tucked away in our pantry, is a veritable kitchen magician. It transforms our baking, freshens our fridges, and simplifies our cleaning tasks. But wait, there's much more to this humble kitchen ingredient. For the beauty-conscious, baking soda might just be your new best friend. Wondering why? Well, it's time to reveal some secrets that can help you enhance your beauty game without breaking the bank. Baking soda, this unassuming pantry staple, has a surprising number of uses in your beauty regimen. Let's start with deodorant. Yes, you heard it right. A pinch of baking soda mixed with water can act as a natural deodorant. It neutralizes body odor and keeps you feeling fresh all day long. And the best part? It's free from harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances. Moving on to the next beauty secret, face exfoliant. Baking soda's fine granules make it an excellent gentle scrub. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda with your regular facial cleanser and massage it onto your face in circular motions. Rinse off and feel the smoothness. It's not just effective, but also incredibly economical compared to those high-end exfoliants on the market. But wait, we're not done yet. Baking soda can also work wonders for your teeth. It's a natural teeth whitener. Simply brush your teeth with a paste of baking soda and water once a week. It helps remove stains and whiten your teeth naturally. Just remember not to overdo it, as it can be abrasive if used excessively. So, there you have it. From acting as a natural deodorant, to serving as a gentle face exfoliant, to whitening your teeth, baking soda does it all. And all these benefits come at just a fraction of the cost of your typical beauty products. Who knew looking good could be so affordable? Got health concerns? Baking soda might have the answer. We've seen it work wonders in the kitchen and on our skin, but did you know that this humble household item has a plethora of health benefits too? Firstly, let's talk about digestive issues. We've all been there, that uncomfortable bloating, heartburn, and indigestion. Well, baking soda might just be your new best friend. This miraculous compound can neutralize stomach acid, providing quick relief from these unpleasant symptoms. Just a teaspoon in a glass of water can do the trick, but that's not all. Baking soda also shines as a potent antifungal and antibacterial agent. Its alkaline nature creates a hostile environment for these harmful organisms, keeping them at bay. So whether you're dealing with a minor skin infection or battling an annoying case of athlete's foot, baking soda could be your secret weapon. Moving on to our kidneys. These crucial organs are responsible for filtering our blood and maintaining the body's acid-base balance. A pinch of baking soda can assist in promoting kidney health by neutralizing the acidity in our blood, thus reducing the burden on our kidneys. Let's touch upon urinary tract infections. These painful nuisances can be mitigated with the help of baking soda. Its alkalizing effect can help to decrease the acidity in urine, providing much-needed relief from the symptoms of a UTI. So, you see, baking soda is not just for baking or cleaning. It's a versatile remedy with a wide range of health benefits. Just remember, like with any home remedy, it's always important to use it in moderation and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Healthcare doesn't always have to come in a pill bottle. Sometimes it comes in a small, unassuming box of baking soda. For those who live an active lifestyle, meet your new workout buddy. When it comes to fitness, we all know the saying, no pain, no gain. But what if I told you that there's a way to minimize the muscle pain and fatigue that comes with an intense workout? Well, guess what? Baking soda to the rescue. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate as it's scientifically known, has been found to reduce muscle pain and fatigue. You're probably wondering, how does this work? Well, during a vigorous workout, your body produces lactic acid. This is what causes that burning sensation in your muscles, and over time, leads to fatigue. What baking soda does is act as a buffering agent in your body, helping to control the pH level, which in turn helps in lactic acid removal. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how do I use baking soda for this purpose? It's simple, really. All you need to do is dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink it before your workout. But remember, everyone's body is different, so it's always best to start with a smaller dose and see how your body reacts first. It's important to note that while baking soda can help reduce muscle pain and fatigue, it's not a magic potion. You still need to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and get plenty of rest. But with baking soda as part of your fitness regime, you might find that you can push yourself a little harder, go that extra mile, and maybe, just maybe, beat your personal best. So, the next time you're gearing up for a workout, why not give baking soda a try? It's a simple, natural, and affordable way to potentially enhance your performance and recovery. With baking soda, you might just beat your personal best. Baking soda's versatility doesn't stop there. Just when you thought we've exhausted all the benefits of this little white powder, we've got more surprises in store for you. Baking soda is not just a kitchen magician, a beauty hack, or a fitness friend. It's a super substance with a plethora of unexpected uses that can come in handy in the most unpredictable situations. Let's start with something you'd least expect: extinguishing fires. Yes, you heard it right. Baking soda can be used to put out small grease or electrical fires. Its chemical properties cause it to release carbon dioxide when heated, which helps to smother the flames. So, the next time you're in a pinch, remember, your kitchen cupboard could hold the solution. Moving on, did you know baking soda can be a savior for your car, especially when you're dealing with a dirty car battery? It can neutralize the battery acid corrosion on the terminals. Just a simple paste of baking soda and water can do the trick, cleaning off the grime and ensuring a better connection. Finally, let's delve into something even more profound. Baking soda has been found to help alleviate the side effects of chemotherapy. It aids in reducing the severity of nausea and diarrhea, common side effects of chemotherapy, providing some much-needed relief to those battling cancer. From household uses to health benefits, baking soda proves its versatility time and time again. It's not just a pantry staple, but a handy helper, a beauty enhancer, a health booster, and even a potential lifesaver. It's hidden in plain sight, sitting modestly in your kitchen cupboard, but its uses extend far beyond baking. Baking soda truly is a jack of all trades. Whether it's enhancing your beauty routine, boosting your fitness journey, or even saving the day in unexpected emergencies, this humble white powder has got you covered. So, next time you see that box of baking soda, remember, it's not just for baking, it's a multi-purpose marvel, ready to surprise you with its endless possibilities. So there you have it, baking soda, the household hero. In the past quarter of an hour, we've journeyed through the multifaceted world of baking soda, a humble pantry staple that's been hiding in plain sight. We've discovered 39 impressive uses and benefits, each one revealing a new side of this ubiquitous compound. From the kitchen to the bathroom, from health remedies to fitness aids, baking soda has proven to be an inexpensive yet invaluable ally. It's the magician in the kitchen, transforming our baking, cleaning, and even extinguishing fires. It's the beauty budgeter's secret weapon, doubling up as a facial exfoliant, teeth whitener, and homemade deodorant. In the realm of health, baking soda has shown its prowess, aiding digestion, promoting kidney health, and even alleviating chemotherapy side effects. For the fitness enthusiasts, it's a surprising friend, reducing muscle pain and fatigue. We've even ventured into the unexpected, exploring how baking soda can be a natural insect repellent, a flour freshener, and a silverware cleaner. Each of these uses underscores the versatility and affordability of baking soda, making it a true household hero. So let's celebrate this unassuming box of sodium bicarbonate. It's not just an ingredient, it's a multi-purpose marvel. Next time you see that box of baking soda in your pantry, remember, it's not just for baking. We hope you found this video enlightening. It's incredible how one simple ingredient like baking soda can have so many uses. From kitchen aid to beauty secret, health remedy to fitness companion. We encourage you to try out these different uses of baking soda. Experiment with it, see what works for you, and when you do, don't keep it to yourself. Share your experiences and discoveries in the comments section. We'd love to hear all about it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video.